One of the case studies which I discussed inside the ebook is how to start your own Forex crowd investment clubs. Investment clubs traditionally in South Africa are referred to as stokvel. So the word originates from South Africa, that is why I'm using it. The stokvel industry in South Africa is where people come together and form a club for the purpose of investing in the stock market. Some are saving schemes, some are family stokvel for burials or for funerals. People join stokvel for different purposes. But inside the ebook, I'll always discuss starting a Forex stokvel for the purpose of investing in the Forex market. What do I do, or how can you do this? I will briefly show you my own trades, for example. What I did is to start a fractal management fund. This is my fund. I trade with Swiss market, and the fund is managed to return 10% every month. I started it with 500 US dollars. So far, the fund has grown to 7,000. My fund management relies on fractal analysis, whereby only a small portion of the entire equity is exposed to the market to return 10% per month quickly. I am one of the best, or my fund is one of the best performing funds in Swiss market. So far, the statistics shows that we have returned a gross of 63.3% from May 2017 to August when I started it. These are the statistics. So far, we return an average of about 14.61%. But we promise that the fund will always return 10% to club members. Now, let me show you a brief more of the statistics. You can see actually starting from here in May, I started the fund with about 500 US dollars. So all through, by introducing the fund to different people and asking them to invest in the fund, both my profit has grown and the fund itself has grown. Now we are standing at plus 7,000. I am actually managing two types of funds. So this is what we refer to as Forex stokvel. Under the public strategy, you will see that I am number one here. This is the second fund, simultaneous capital, which I am also managing in the same format. Like I said, people invest along this fund. We ask them to invest along the fund. So those people who can invest along the fund could be private individuals, for example, or it could be stokvel club members. They don't need to know how to trade. Let's say the first one, how. You can see that there are different people who have invested to follow the fund, and each person is returned, or at the end of each month, each person will make a profit of about 10%. We are growing, more people are coming into the fund. To cap it all, I will go back. The fund was started in May of 2017. I have 2 of them, this capital. There are only 2 people. This fund was started with $200. It has grown to $1,000. It is still growing. It started later than the first one. So in all, I have raised, really, if you add this 1,000 plus this 7,000 from my main fund, you will see that I have raised more than 8,000 by the end of August. Ideally, we need to raise 10,000, 20,000, hundreds of thousands if we market it properly to other people, especially those people who are involved in stokvel in South Africa. But the method can be duplicated elsewhere. So, I will ask you, if you have this type of interest, if you think you can duplicate this for your Forex investing or for your investment clubs, then you can join the club. I will not be able to show you critically what you will gain, but in all, for those people who joins the club, they will be given unlimited access to my website. They will have access to 20 million unstructured rules database. I will teach them how to use the database. I will also teach them how to clean the database and extract, B2B owners. B2B owners are looking for investment. Some of them are investors, actually. Some of them are ordinary people who are looking for where to invest their money. They will be given access to my LinkedIn connections, which I have more than 20,000 already. They will have access to use my customized software, which I refer to as Joe Miner software, and so on. So there are so many benefits. The idea is not for club members to be trading. I trade on behalf of all the club members, but club members are involved in bringing in more clients. So this is what we refer to as Forex stokvel. Everything is described inside my ebook. You can get the ebook free for just only $1 if you want to learn how to do it. So I would like to thank you for listening to this recording.